Today I'm gonna show you how to create epic thumbnail for your YouTube channels, or you can create a lot of art to sell them in NFT or other site. Let's see. This is a room that I paint myself. This should be turned to an escape room. Firefly is not free. You should have Adobe to use this. But if you are in a country like myself, Iran, use the cracked one. Okay, let's change this.
Love is ill. I wish that it was different. Don't know what it is that made us so indifferent. We're drifting in the dark. Can we do better? Wish I could rewind back to the start. Can we do better than this? Better.
Thank you guys for watching my video. Like and subscribe. There is a lot thing you can do with this Firefly. Be creative.